Hey guys, welcome back. This is Kimberly from Loving to Shop. I'm just coming in real quick to show you my closet. I did a short yesterday, but I really didn't like it, so I decided to do away with that. So we're back again today. So we're still working on this closet. It's a small space, but I think it's functional at this time. I'm still working on it. We have to do some lighting in here. The lighting is very like warm, and I just didn't like the way it looks, so that's why the lights are off right now. But once we get the lighting and stuff situated, I'll come back with that. But I just wanted to give you an overview. I am going to pick the phone up and turn the light on so you can visually see for yourself exactly what I did with this space. Now, this space is just a left side, a right side, a back side. And I shared this with my husband for 9 years. And now I decided to make this my space, and now he have his own space. So yeah, I can make it girly, all the things that I ever wanted. So I just wanted to come in and share that with you guys. So let's get started. So this is the first unit. This is 39 inches. The depth is only, I think it's 13 and some change. I'm not 100% sure, so don't quote me on it. Yes, I'm recording with my iPhone, not the greatest stuff, but you know, we got to make it work. So there we go. But the plan was for me to store my handbags or like my things that are sentimental to me, and I wanted to get the pull-out shelf, but that's sold out. I wanted to get 3 drawers, but that is also sold out. So I had to go to 2 separate Ikeas just to create this unit right here. So I ended up with 3 shelves and 1 garment rack at the bottom where I can hang my stuff up. So up here I just have knickknacks. This is my wedding clutch. I spoke about this on the yesterday short. Picture of my dog. Just personal things that are important to me. Some handbags, not a lot. We have some wallets and stuff at the top with some handbags. And I went to the Container Store yesterday and I purchased these major, why are you barking? I'm sorry, that's my dog. I purchased these bins because I'm planning on using these for something. And the plan is to honestly, possibly put them here with some stuff. So you get the vibe. So I'm just testing it out to see how it works and how it flows until I finally decide what I'm gonna do. Please excuse my dog. So I do have storage all the way up at the top where I can put some extra stuff. So I will show you that. So now I'm just gonna flip the camera around and show you some more stuff. Let me see why my dog is barking. Sorry guys, I'm back. My dog was barking. So here is the unit on the back wall.